Okay, so I just thought I'd record this video. I've added a whole bunch of new features to Pixel Art Studio and I thought I'd show you guys. So as you can see, we now have a color palette over on the side here, which has some pretty cool features. When you've selected your color, it automatically populates this section down here and shows you all the different shades that you could potentially use. We also have the brightness adjuster here, which adjusts the offset for that, so you can favoritize to have darker shades or lighter shades. It's really up to you. You can get those shades exactly where you want them using this, hopefully. Also, this is saturation going up and down, and hue going left and right, so you can pretty much fine-tune the colors to your liking and get all the different shades that you like. So now let's try, let's create an image. You have to excuse my pixel art skills, they're absolutely terrible, but I'll show you guys how this works basically. So now the next feature we've got, you probably just noticed, as we zoom in, this grid appears. That is a pretty cool feature, I think. The grid appears and disappears as you zoom in. The next thing you guys will probably notice is we now have scroll bars, so we can scroll through the image. There is a slight glitch with that, as you can see, but I'm still working on it, so you have to excuse that. Okay. Oh, the other thing to probably mention is that it's all hardware rendered now, so the canvas is extremely smooth. There's no latency at all. And let me just erase those again. I need to work on bigger brushes. Now, as you saw just down there, this is a context-sensitive palette that appears based on what's in your image. Now, the reason I'm able to achieve these sort of real-time features is I've actually created a custom image format, which basically lets me run database queries. So I'm able to say select the unique colors from any image basically, and then display them down here in this panel. So yeah, let's try draw something real quick. So basically, I'm a terrible drawer, so you're gonna have to forgive me for that. Oh, I'm still on eraser. There we go. So let's draw, I don't know, let's draw something like this. And once again, we still have all those functions that I showed off earlier, the clean lines function. Now that function basically just highlights them in yellow. I will make a commit button that allows you to just delete all of them, but for now I'm just going to leave it as highlighting as yellow. Also, a friend of mine told me what those jagged edges are called, aliasing, so now I know what they're called. That's good news. Alright, let's just I'm really bad at pixel art, guys, so just forgive me on that. Here we go. Okay, obviously we're still missing tools like flood fill and things like that, but this is just going to be out. This is just going to show you guys this palette sort of system I've got going on down here. So as you can see, we now have two image colors. The first one is transparent, the second one is white, and the first one is black. Obviously we have black in the image, and as soon as I start painting in, we shall get blue. So now blue appears. So I'm just gonna fill this in. You guys will have to bear with me while I do this. I haven't got any video editing software, so I can't really fast forward or anything like that. I'm just recording straight on Bandicam. Okay, there we go. I will make some a better mouse pointer cursor to show what you're actually doing and when you're doing it. So yeah, this is my terrible attempt at making a potion, but having these unique selected colors here just lets me get like this glass to be shiny. And then we can also add some shadows across the sides. I'm not too sure how you guys would draw this, but let's do it anyway. I'll ask a friend of mine if they want to test out the software and record a video of them drawing something. That'd probably be better than my own demos of how this works. Okay, and there you go. So we now have the context sensitive palette, and we also have the automatically adjusting, I don't really know what you'd call that. I haven't seen it in any other image editors yet. We'll come up with a name for that later. But yeah, there you go. That's my pixel art potion. It's terrible. Let's just add some magic. Why not? like this. Oh, and of course, new feature, we have colors. So we didn't have that before. Now we have colors. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like the image editor so far. Yeah, and let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm obviously working on it still. And we have 3200 times zoom as well. Just thought I'd show you guys that, because that is a lifesaver. There is some slight glitches with the zoom controls at the moment, but we'll work on them and get them fixed, so you can get right in there and draw basically whatever you want. Oh, and the other cool thing to note is this unique palette that we've got down here. We can click on those and they will automatically bring us back to the color we were on. So if you were doing some, I don't know, 8-bit artwork or some really old school NES style graphics and you just wanted to quickly switch back to those colors, easy, just click down here, it'll take you straight there. So let's draw a little face on our bottle. And obviously maybe that's a little bit too much, too close. We can just switch back to that blue and get rid of those. But that's just to show you guys the image editor so far. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Cheers.